Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Shutterbug Infinity. Today we've travelled to Glencar Waterfall in County Leitrim. Please do like, share and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. So here are 13 places to visit in County Leitrim and Sligo. Hamilton Castle, the Organic Centre, Sean McDiarmada, Rainbow Ballroom, Arrow Trail, Spanish Armada Street Point, County Sligo, which I also have in a video. Please do go and check that out. I'll leave it in the description box below. Here, this point is Glencar Waterfall. Yates Grave, which I'll also have a video of. Please do go and check that out. I'll leave it in the description box below. Parks Castle, Argenia Mines, Acres Lake, the Cavan Burn, and Marble Arch Caves. It was funded by the Department of Rural and Community Development and Leitrim County Council under the Outdoor Recreation Infrastructure Scheme. I'll now talk about some history about Glencar Waterfall. The Glencar Waterfalls is one of the most picturesque settings in County Leitrim. The immediate area is rich in both natural and cultural heritage and is literally underpinned by geological heritage that stretches back over 340 million years. All of the solid bedrock surrounding you formed during the Carboniferous period. At this time, the island of Ireland was on or very near to the equator, and the entire area was covered in a tropical sea. As the waters of the sea receded, the mud from the sea floor, together with the remains of the dead sea creatures, hardened to form mudstone or shale and limestone. It is these rocks that are exposed at the Glencar Waterfall. The underlying geology has controlled the diverse range of the biodiversity seen nearby. In the walk up to the waterfall, you may see some hazel and ash trees, both of which thrive on the alkali-rich soils that derive from the limestone. The mineral-rich waters that flow from the uplands above support a number of rare bryophytes, non-vascular plants that include liverworts and mosses. And the cliffs are home to a number of Arctic alpine plants proved to be a relic from the last ice age. The waterfall itself has also inspired a wealth of artists, songwriters and poets, the most famous of which is William Butler Yeats. His poem Stolen Child was inspired by the tumbling waters of Glencar and beautifully describes the waterfall and the waters that flow here. Please let me know in the comment section below if you've ever been here. What are your thoughts and views? I hope that you're enjoying this video, and I hope that you share it to your friends and family. The remarkable Glencar Waterfall is one of a number of waterfalls that tumbles over the edge of Glencar Valley. However, none of these are quite as impressive as Glencar itself. With a drop of over 15 metres, this dynamic natural spectacle can be a gushing torrent or a gentle trickle depending on when you visit. So a fun fact, I heard that someone was here yesterday and they were disappointed because the waterfall had no water. But last night there was a lot of rainfall and someone said, oh, there's probably water in the waterfall today. So I decided to visit, and yes, there is a lot of water. So back to how did the waterfall get here? So before the last ice age, Glencar Valley would have been much less dramatic, formed as a small river made its way towards the Atlantic Ocean. Many streams would have joined the river from the surrounding hills, including the one that now flows over Glencar Waterfall. However, the glaciers arrived, then widened and deepened Glencar Valley, leaving many of these streams hanging, tumbling over the edge of the valley as opposed to making their way gently downhill. Waterfalls are constantly changing, and the natural processes that operate here have meant that the waterfall that formed at the end of the last ice age is not the same as the one we see now. So there are two main rock types seen at Glencar Waterfall. You have limestone above and shale or mudstone below. Shale is relatively soft, and when the water tumbles over the top and hits the softer rock below, it is able to remove some of the shale. As this process continues, the shale undercuts the limestone, causing it to collapse. This effectively causes the waterfall to take a step backwards. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Please do hit the subscribe button. Do take care, and I hope to see you in the next one.